So,
Good morning.
you want to shave?
You want to sleep?
You want to sleep? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So we decided to go on Far Planet Fitness this morning.
I don't know where we're going.
At first I was thinking of going to the park. You want to go to the park? Instead of the gym? You sure? You sure? So we're going to the park. Or maybe we could do do like 30 minutes on the elliptical and then go to the park. Oh, that's all.
Trust me, we're not going to go to the park if with the 30 minutes on the elliptical.
Yeah, but
But I
what?
don't mind the elliptical because comprehensive, so
Yeah.
I like it. And I want to do some.
So we're going to the gym.
We need to build this.
Going
It's
to the
not
gym.
going with no.
Yeah, so we're going to the gym in Pembroke Pines, which is a little bit way out from where we normally are. But part of what you have to do is pretty much just
Switch up the thing.
yeah, switch up the thing. You can't just make the thing be the same old every day, you know. So gym shorts. I remember tell you something. Getting up and coming out of the house to go to the gym. If you can't get over that hurdle there, you're gonna stay fat.
So this is what we do. Like today, it's only 7:31 now. 7:30 now. So what we do is we make sure that we get ready for the gym before we leave out of the house to drop our kid to school. So that way we know, so we're already, once we try drop and go back home, breakfast we say, breakfast we say.
Once breakfast, nothing else. Remember.
But now I'm hungry still. Feel like I'm
Still
gonna eat
hungry
a
too.
nice big spread, like
Pancake and waffle and them something that are real
not
Jamaican
really.
food.
No.
Just something.
Yeah, that's something.
We got old foods afterwards.
Like a panini sandwich.
A
or
pan who?
Panini.
Panini. Foreign, you hear them? Foreign thing that panini.
A vegan panini.
A vegan, nothing. If me I go panini, I'm going to the real pan. But we can go old foods afterwards. One of them gym shots I got to talk about food, you know, because we've been really trying, guys. Why my face look?
Takra?
Takra.
It's alright.
It's,
You look takra sometimes.
no, I'm supposed to be cute 100% of the
No,
time.
dark. It's fine.
But yeah, you know, feel real good physically. You know, the regular aches and pains are that's normal wear and tear. But you just have to get it done. 30 minutes on the elliptical machine. That has been my swan song. No, my breakthrough. What swan song?
Breakthrough.
My breakthrough. The 30 minutes on the elliptical machine. And I promise you guys, if everybody can do that, we got it made.
So today I think I want to do 30 minutes on the elliptical, a couple abdominal workouts, and arms
Okay.
and legs
Okay. And
and back.
food.
No, I can't do everything, but still.
Hey, we do what we can do. Alright guys, so we're in Pembroke Pines and we're gonna get it done. Remember I told you.
those stacks of blocks. He's got it going on. Hey. Hey. I don't think you should do that for your back.
So that's it for another gym shorts. Yep. You have to go ahead. Yeah, that's it for another gym shorts. Join us next week when we find ourselves at another location. This is the Pembroke Pines location. And at what time now? Yes, no, stop blow. She worked hard today, me not telling a lie.
9:09.
We got here just after 7:30. And now it's 9:09. We're gonna, go into the rest of our day. But it was a nice workout today, I promise you. Pretty much that you have to do. Find a time, schedule even an hour, and I swear you're gonna feel better about yourself. Yeah, it's gonna work out. It's got to work out. It has to, in Jesus' name. Where the car? Hold on, where the car?
Over there.
Them Dave the car. Hey, join us again next week. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Yardie belly. Hey, big up on yourself. Gym shorts. One more time.